The Internet essay in English. The Internet is fast becoming a basic feature of global civilization. What has traditionally been called civil society is now becoming identical with information technology society. At present, 2 billion people use the Internet. The Internet is a massive network of networks. It connects millions of computers together globally, forming a network in which any computer can communicate with any other computer as long as they are both connected to the Internet. As the Internet is a distributed network comprising many voluntarily interconnected networks, it has no governing body. The Internet allows computer users to connect to the other computers wherever they may be access the world. This is thus an encouraging new way of working from home or office. For example, an accountant sitting home can audit the books of a company based in another country. Internet chat allows people to stay in touch with their friends or relatives, even strangers living in other countries at any time. People also remain in touch with one another by sending and receiving electronic text messages called email. It can be sent to or received from other people living in any part of the world within seconds. The simple features of the Internet over a worldwide basis are changing the basis for the production, sale and distribution of anything that can be reduced to a computer file for transmission. This includes all manner of office documents, publications, software products, music, photography, video, graphics, and other arts. Audio material such as songs and speeches is first downloaded in full and then played back on a computer or shifted to a digital audio player to be listened to. These techniques, using simple equipment, allow anybody with little censorship or licensing control to broadcast audio-visual material on a worldwide basis. Internet users can use webcams to watch animals around an African waterhole, ships in the Arabian Sea, the traffic at a local roundabout, or their own premises live. Now Internet is also being used as a telephone to make long distance calls. It is as easy to use and as convenient as a normal telephone. The benefit is that as the Internet carries the actual voice traffic, voice telephony can be free or cost much less than a normal telephone call, especially over long distances. The Internet has been a major source of leisure. Today, many Internet forums have sections devoted to games and funny videos. Over 6 million people use blogs or message boards as a means of communication. The pornography and gambling industries have both taken full advantage of the Internet. Although many governments has attempted to put restrictions on both industries, they have generally failed to stop their widespread popularity. Many people use the Internet to access news, weather and sports reports, to plan and book holidays, and to find out more about their random ideas and casual interests. The Internet has also become a large market for companies. Some of the biggest companies today have grown by taking advantage of the efficient nature of low-cost advertising and commerce through the internet, also known as e-commerce. It is the fastest way to spread information to a vast amount of people simultaneously. The internet has also subsequently revolutionized shopping. For example, a person can order a CD online and receive it in the mail within a couple of days, or download it directly in some cases. Some governments such as those of Saudi Arabia, Iran, North Korea, the People's Republic of China and Cuba restrict what people in their countries can access on the internet, especially political and religious content. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.